Hi, my name is Brad Regier. I'm a customer service engineer for Textron Aviation, specializing in the Hawker 4000. Today I'm going to show you how to use the MCDU for finding, locking out, and renaming circuit breakers on the Hawker 4000. You can use the MCDU to help you locate most circuit breakers. If it is a hard circuit breaker, the MCDU will tell you where to find that circuit breaker. Or if it is a soft circuit breaker, you can activate or deactivate it. Select the circuit breaker button on the MCDU, then select the electrical menu button, and on this page, there are two ways to search for circuit breakers. You can search by system or by bus. The most common way is to search by system. So for instance, if we are looking to pull the spoiler circuit breakers, we will go to the circuit breaker by system, flight controls, and then look for spoiler control. The circuit breakers are in alphabetical order. So as you can see, we have one soft circuit breaker labeled spoiler control 1 and one hard circuit breaker labeled spoiler control 2. The white box tells me that I can deactivate the soft circuit breaker from the MCDU. The CBP2 tells me that the other circuit breaker is on circuit breaker panel number 2. All circuit breakers are monitored by the MCDU except the circuit breakers on circuit breaker panel 5 and 6. The procedure to lock out soft circuit breakers is as follows. You select the circuit breaker button on the MCDU, then select electrical menu. Then select maintenance. Then select circuit breaker lockout. Then you just simply find the circuit breaker that you want to lock out and select the line key beside it. All Load 20 airplanes should have two circuit breakers locked out at all times. These can be found in the Maintenance Manual, Chapter 24-00-00, Figure 204, page 7 of 7. For Load 19 airplanes, the circuit breakers locked out are in the Maintenance Manual, Chapter 24-00-00, Figure 201, page 7 of 7. COM3 will not be locked out if it is installed in your airplane. Normally, when you replace one SPDA, the option circuit breakers will be stored in memory inside the SPDA that you did not replace. And when you load the operational software to the SPDA you just installed, that stored memory will be transferred automatically from this SPDA on the other slot. But if you replace both SPDAs or you swap the SPDAs, you will lose some or all of the option circuit breakers. You will then need to rename these circuit breakers. If you do not rename these circuit breakers, they will not be monitored or you will not know if they are active or inactive. To rename circuit breakers, you select the circuit breaker button on the MCDU, then select electrical menu, then select maintenance. Push option select and then rename spare circuit breakers. At this point, you will need to find the spare circuit breaker that you are going to rename. You will need to know on which LRU the circuit breaker is located. For example, SPDA 1, circuit breaker panel 2, etc. Find the rename page for that LRU. For example, we will show you SPDA 1. Then you will need to find the specific circuit breaker to rename. If you don't know which spare circuit breaker to rename, you can look in the Maintenance Manual, Chapter 24-00-00. For Load 20 airplanes, it'll be located in Figure 204, page 6 of 7. For Load 19 airplanes, it'll be located in Figure 201, page 6 of 7. You will only be allowed to rename the option circuit breakers. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-800-HAWKER2, option 9, or email us at hawker_4000_support@txtav.com. Thank you for your time and have a good day.